Alright, so I moved my empty hive body and the board over towards this hive, hoping that the swarm might move in there. They were all up in the air, but now they've kind of settled down around the box and a little bit around that hive. So hopefully there'll be 10,000 witnesses saying, "Hey, Queen, this is the place," and they'll move in there. But who knows? I don't see any. There's a little bit of crowd underneath the corner there. See, they're trying to hang out, do their swarm posture on the corners of the box and corners of this board. I just need the queen to get in there and say, "This is the place. There's no other place quite like this place, so this must be the place." Still a few girls over there. Alright, well, we'll let you know how this turns out.